Are you looking for a way to earn some extra income from the comfort of your own home? One way to do that is by selling ebooks on Amazon KDP. Amazon KDP, or Kindle Direct Publishing, is a platform that allows you to self-publish your ebooks and sell them on the Amazon Kindle store. In this video, we'll give you some tips on how to earn $1,000 per month from selling ebooks on Amazon KDP. Hi, I'm Ayush Gupta and I've been selling ebooks on Amazon KDP for the past few years. Here are some tips that have helped me earn a consistent income from my books. Tip number 1. Research your market. The first step to selling ebooks on Amazon KDP is to research your market. You want to find a niche that is in demand, but not oversaturated. Look for categories or genres that have high sales and low competition. You can use tools like Amazon's bestseller rank to find out which categories are popular. Once you've identified your niche, read books in that category to get a sense of what readers are looking for. This will help you write a book that meets their needs. Tip number 2. Write a quality book. The second tip is to write a quality book. Your book should be well written, well edited, and formatted correctly. Readers expect a professional product, and if your book is full of errors or poorly formatted, they will likely leave negative reviews. Take the time to craft a compelling story or offer valuable information. Make sure your book stands out from the competition and provides value to the reader. Tip number 3. Optimize your book listing. The third tip is to optimize your book listing. Your book title, cover, and description should all be optimized to attract readers. Use keywords in your title and description to help your book appear in search results. Your cover should be eye-catching and convey the genre or topic of your book. A well-designed cover can help your book stand out and attract readers. Tip number 4. Promote your book. The fourth tip is to promote your book. While Amazon KDP does offer some promotional tools, such as free promotions and Amazon ads, it's important to promote your book outside of Amazon as well. Use social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram to promote your book to potential readers. Reach out to book bloggers and reviewers in your niche and offer them a free copy of your book in exchange for a review. Tip number 5. Publish regularly. The fifth and final tip is to publish regularly. The more books you have available, the more opportunities you have to earn income. Plus, readers who enjoy one of your books are more likely to purchase another. Set a writing schedule and stick to it. Aim to publish a new book every few months to keep your readers engaged. So there you have it, our top tips for earning $1,000 per month from selling ebooks on Amazon KDP. Remember to research your market, write a quality book, optimize your book listing, promote your book, and publish regularly. With a little hard work and dedication, you can turn your passion for writing into a profitable side hustle.